Land use change happens when humans intervene with the way that the natural land was previously used. Land use change can cause many issues within the community, such as stress, disrupt feedback systems, and threaten humans with vulnerability. One instance of land use change occurred in the Amazon rainforest. Deforestation is the permanent removal of forests. Losing tropical forests, such as the Amazon, is a key factor when looking at climate change. The process of deforestation is performed by humans and usually occurs in order to provide existing land for other uses, such as agriculture or infrastructure. The Amazon is the largest rainforest in the world, covering over 9 countries. The vast majority of the Amazon is centered in Brazil. Since the 1980s, the Brazilian Amazon rainforest has been facing deforestation, and as a result, has lost much of the biodiversity it once had. Many of the acres of land were cleared for cattle grazing, timber trading, or agricultural projects. Since 2004, there's been a 79% decrease in deforestation. This may be due to financial crises happening in Brazil, but there has also been protection laws against deforestation in Brazil that limit the amount of area cleared for farming and agriculture. Today, 49% of the forest is under protection of the government. In future years, there is hope for the Amazon rainforest as long as the protection laws stay in place.